And here.
Yeah, I'll get you the book.
Okay, we're starting at 40 dB at 500 hertz. Waiting for her to focus back on the book. Yay! Now we're going to drop down and get quieter. We're going to switch sides, see if she'll go to the other side. Yay, and she did! Yay! Yay, right there. Yay. Finished. Okay.
That's it?
Yep. That was cool.